and fine. So let's get started with CSS, guys. And you are new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share this video with your friend. So for this class, so this is the class which we have just created, bu elegant top, which is going to be 50px. Then this is going to be the bulb which we are going to create right now, circular round we are creating right now. So dot and paste. For this we are going to give width as 200 pixels, and we are going to give an height of 230 pixel. Then we are going to give, for example, background color, let's give it as red. And if you can just see right now, you are not able to see it, so we need to link this. So what I'm going to do is we are going to say link CSS. You can just see the option, you are going to click here, the link will be applied. And here we are going to give a border radius. So border radius will be about 50 pixel. For example, let's make it 50 pixel. You will be able to see like this. So if I'm going to make it 50%, then you will be able to see the circular round. We are going to write border as 1 pixel solid gray. And right now you can see it. Right now you can just see the outer border, and we'll just see inside this color we are going to add a white smoke color. So we'll say background color as white smoke. So let me make it white. Right now we are just going to make styling for this, the bottom part. So let's paste it over here. So width will be 70 pixel and height will be 20px. Let's give it also a background color as, for example, right now let's for testing we are going to give a red. Border radius we are going to do is 20px. Here also we are going to add a border which will be of 1 pixel solid gray color. So what I did is background color here we are going to add, which is going to be, so this is the RGB color, you can just write it and you can get this color. And here what we are going to do is remove this background color for right now. Also here we have added a box shadow, so let me just paste it. So box shadow is 0 pixel, 2 pixel, 10 pixel, and RGB color 150, 150 and 83. Similarly we are going to have this for bottom 2 and bottom 3. Just we are going to change the width side, it will be bottom 2 and this will be bottom 3, and just we are going to change the width. So this will be about 50 pixel, 50px, this will be about 30 pixel. And right now you can just see the same, but now nothing will happen as you click, but the design is ready, the CSS is done. So this is all about CSS part, guys, and in the next video we are going to write JS code. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like this video and also share this video.